everyone, I'm KDT from KDT and it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, so today I've come up with a video, the official audio version of the blog post which I posted recently, which is WordPress Everything You Need to Know. So if you are new to this channel KDT Techy, please be sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates of the videos which I post daily, and be sure to be up to date. And coming to the topic, which is WordPress Everything You Need to Know. So some may wonder what is WordPress, and some may know, or some may know some certain details about WordPress. So first, what is WordPress? WordPress is a free and open source content management system, and it is written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or Maria database. So WordPress was originally created to make blog websites, but today we can almost make any kind of website we can imagine with WordPress. It is that powerful, and there is also a fact that 1/3 of the internet is powered by WordPress, which basically means the 1/3, that is the 33% of the internet, the websites present in the internet, is made with WordPress. Okay, coming to the history of WordPress. WordPress was released on May 27, 2003 by its founders, American developer Matt Mullenweg and English developer Mike Little. As of June 2019, WordPress is used by 60.8% of all the websites whose content management system is known. This is 27.5% of the top 10 million websites. And some of the many popular websites which are known are also using WordPress. I'm not going to list it out here, just saying. And so now the question arises in your mind, why they are using WordPress, why this much people are using WordPress, and what are the features of WordPress? So let's get into it. So making a website in WordPress is a piece of cake compared to writing hundreds of lines of coding the same website. It has very easy user interface, as complete beginners can master it in a week or two. To make website creation even more easier, it has some very premium features known as themes and plugins. Let's see them in detail. So what are themes? WordPress users may install and switch among different themes. Themes allow users to change the look and functionality of a WordPress website. Even WordPress website requires at least one theme to be present. Themes may be directly installed using the WordPress appearance administration tool in the dashboard, or theme folders may be copied directly into the themes directory. So I have also attached the image in the blog post, and I'll give the blog post link in the description if you want to check that out. And basically themes are some kind of designing elements. Like for example, themes are the basic thing which you first got to do in WordPress. You first have to install a theme, and then you should install a page builder, which is known as a plugin, to design the pages of your website. Even my website KDT Techy, as you know, is built upon WordPress, and I am using some themes and plugins to design it. So WordPress themes are generally classified into two categories: free and premium. Many free themes are listed in the WordPress theme directory, and premium themes are also available for purchase from marketplaces and individual WordPress developers. WordPress users may also create and develop their own custom themes using the programming language PHP, and that's a bit advanced to cover in this topic, because writing your own or developing your own theme or developing your child theme, some of you may wonder what is meant by child theme. Child theme is just a sub part of the theme. For example, there's a popular theme in WordPress which is known as Astra. So if you want to create a child theme for Astra, you should write some hundreds of lines of PHP code, and you can customize the theme according to your needs. That is known as a child theme. And the free theme underscores created by the WordPress developers has become a popular basis for new themes. And the plugins. Coming to the plugin parts, WordPress plugin allow users to extend the features, functionality of a website or blog. Each plugin in WordPress which offers custom functionalities and features, enabling users to tailor their sites according to their specific needs. However, this does not include the premium plugins that are available, which may not be listed in the WordPress.org repository. These customizations range from search engine optimization to client portals used to display private information to logged in users, to content management systems, to content displaying features such as addition of widgets and navigation bars. And if you don't know what widgets are and what are navigation bars, I have given a link in the blog post to the Wikipedia page. You can go there and you can look out or study some more about these things. And not all available plugins are always abreast with the upgrades. As a result, they may not function properly or may not function at all. So this is the problem in WordPress, because if, for example, you are buying a plugin for $10, okay, in Indian rupees it's 700 rupees, and after some time if the plugin developer fails to update the plugin, it may crash your website. Because the philosophy behind this is WordPress has its updates monthly. WordPress is being updated monthly, and at the same time your plugins and themes should also be updated to combine with the WordPress and run with the WordPress. So for that, your themes and plugins should be updated, and if it is not updated for months and months, like 4 months, 5 months, your WordPress website will automatically crash. And most plugins are available through WordPress themselves, either via downloading them and installing the files manually via file transfer protocol, or through the WordPress dashboard. However, many third parties offer plugins through their own websites, many of which are paid packages. So now we have seen what are themes and plugins. Now I'll give a brief detail about the themes and plugins. Themes means the basic element of WordPress which you need to install first before customizing anything, and through the theme you can customize with the feature which is known as theme customizer, which we are going to look at next after plugins. And the plugins are generally some tools available to you according to your specific needs. For example, if you want to do SEO, which is basically search engine optimization, you can have a plugin for that. There are so many plugins. One of the popular plugins is Rank Math SEO, and the plugins are simply tools for you to carry on. You can use any plugin to do any specific activity or provide any specific feature. So that's what plugins are. So now let's get into the theme customizer. This is one of the main features of WordPress. Through this feature we can customize almost anything in WordPress. For example, font, color, typography. So if you wonder what is typography is simply the font size or font of the text and the color of the text, the bold, the italic text. So these are the typography. So we can customize anything in our WordPress website. This is the inbuilt theme customizer present in every theme we use. So if you install a theme, for example, if I am installing Ocean WP, that is one of the themes, one of the popular themes, there will be a theme customizer for Ocean WP, and through the theme customizer we can customize our website without even the need of page builders, which is basically plugins. And then the conclusion. So now you might wonder, apart from these features, why WordPress is liked by millions around the globe. As I said, 33% of the worldwide websites are used or running on WordPress. The answer is that for creating websites in WordPress, you don't need to learn the code. You can simply drag and drop the elements to your page and start customizing. WordPress is an amazing, empowering platform to launch your own website for free. WordPress powers all sorts of websites, from small ones to really huge ones like Microsoft and Skype. Even those websites, those multi-million-dollar websites, are even built upon WordPress. Some of the functionalities depend upon purely WordPress. It is an open source project, easy to learn, flexible enough to expand as you grow, and SEO friendly. With these themes and plugins, you can make your own site look stylish and professional, like a professional site. Okay, that's all for this video. In this video I explained what are themes and plugins, and I explained everything one about the WordPress. And if you want future tutorials about this WordPress or how to create any website using WordPress, please leave it in the comment section below and make sure to reply that. And thank you for watching. Follow me on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and I will give the links in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates of tech videos, tech tutorials posted in this channel. So thank you.